Deterred while darting for the front door. Would-be home invaders this morning scared off by a security guard waiting across the road. Elena and John Parolin had paid him to watch over their Rochedale property after falling victim to this terrifying home invasion last week.
Get the gun, get the gun, get the gun! Shoot her!
The Southside grandparents have barely slept since, now targeted 3 times since September. Their family is urging them to pack up and move.
They said, Mum, this is the 3rd time and we don't want to lose you or Dad, so... But why should I have to leave our home? John moved here because it suits his disability. Why should we be made to move? It's not fair.
I've had 3 heart attacks. I don't want another one. 6 strokes. I've had enough.
Police are investigating if the same masked gang was behind this attempted break at a nearby home and earlier at Bulimba.
It just kept going and going and I was screaming at the top of my lungs. This is probably somewhere around the 12th time, maybe more.
It's believed the group later crashed a stolen Mercedes into a police car at Upper Coomera. 5 teenagers have been arrested, all while the government spruiks new crime data.
Our laws are working.
The number of victims has increased by 1.9%, but there's been a drop in break-ins, robberies, stolen cars and young offenders, with a rise in assaults, sexual offences, breaches of domestic violence orders and drug-related crime.
We're doing everything we can to roll back the youth crime crisis.
You can't cherry-pick little bits of figures.
On the ground level, we're not feeling the change at all.
I just don't feel safe in my own home.
Liam Bland, 7 News.